Have you ever wondered if you can cut granite countertops after they are installed? Well, it's definitely a possibility. Perhaps you're looking to create a niche for a new appliance, or maybe you simply want to refine the shape for a better fit. However, it's vital to understand that DIY cutting comes with its own set of risks. Health hazards from dust, potential damage to the countertop, these are just a few things you might encounter. So, while it's possible to cut granite countertops after they're installed, it's crucial to proceed with caution. If you're determined to cut your granite countertop, you'll need the right tools and safety measures. Essential tools include masonry saws, angle grinders, drill bits, and hole saws. Safety equipment is equally important. Masks to prevent inhalation of granite dust, gloves for hand protection, ear muffs to shield against noise, and safety goggles to keep your eyes safe. Do not overlook these precautions. After all, when handling heavy-duty tasks, remember, safety should always be your top priority. However, if you're not confident in your ability to safely and accurately cut granite, it may be wise to hire a professional. Engaging knowledgeable hands can help you avoid potential hazards and ensure you get the desired results. Remember, not all professionals are created equal. It's essential to scrutinize potential contractors based on their qualifications, licensing, insurance, and customer reviews. Don't be shy about asking questions and demanding transparency. After all, a professional touch can make all the difference when it comes to achieving the perfect cut. In conclusion, cutting granite countertops after installation is possible, but it requires careful consideration and preparation. Remember, it's not just about having the right tools, it's about safety and achieving the best results. Sealing your granite countertops is also key for long-term durability and beauty. If this task seems daunting, don't fret. Northwest Stone Fabricators offers a free consultation. With over 20 years of experience and advanced CNC machines, they're a choice you can trust.